It is the most secure vehicle on the planet, a rolling fortress disguised as a luxury sedan.
To the untrained eye, it looks like a Cadillac, but beneath the glossy black paint lies a secret.
This is the Beast, a custom-built tank engineered to survive the unthinkable.
Weighing in at over 20,000 pounds, it rivals the mass of 2 adult Tyrannosaurus rexes.
Its armor is 8 inches thick, offering protection comparable to a military-grade concrete bunker.
With a price tag estimated at $1.5 million, no expense is spared for presidential safety.
Bullets, chemical attacks, and even roadside bombs are merely annoyances to this engineering marvel.
But before it guards the president, it begins life here, deep within a classified facility in Detroit. It starts not as a luxury car, but as a heavy-duty truck chassis, built to haul massive loads. To accommodate the limousine's massive length, the frame must be radically altered.
Technicians separate the front and rear axles, pulling the chassis apart to create the necessary wheelbase. Massive steel extension rails are lowered into the gap, bridging the severed frame.
Welders fuse the new sections to the original frame, creating a spine strong enough to carry 10 tons.
Every weld is critical. A single weak point could compromise the structural integrity under attack.
Precision is paramount. Engineers use laser alignment tools to ensure the elongated frame is perfectly straight. Additional cross members are welded in, bracing the structure against twisting forces. The steel skeleton is then sprayed with a heavy-duty anti-corrosion coating to ensure longevity. Standard mounts would crush under the weight, so custom heavy-duty suspension points are installed.
Oversized shock absorbers, designed for armored vehicles, are attached to manage the immense load.
The rolling chassis is complete, lengthened, reinforced, and ready to become the backbone of the Beast.
At the heart of this beast lies a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel V8, designed for immense durability. Technicians install heavy-duty pistons capable of withstanding extreme compression ratios. Automated tools apply precise torque to the cylinder heads, ensuring a seal that will never fail. To move 30,000 pounds of armor, a massive turbocharger is bolted on for forced induction.
The engine is mated to a military-grade transmission, built to handle over 900 pound-feet of torque.
Now a single unit, this massive powertrain weighs nearly as much as a small car. Gravity does the work as the team guides the heart into the waiting chassis rails.
From below, mechanics lock the engine mounts, isolating the cabin from the raw vibration.
Power is transferred through reinforced drive shafts, designed to resist twisting under load. An oversized cooling stack is installed to keep temperatures down, even in desert heat. Protection begins here, with high-grade ballistic steel and advanced ceramics. The steel is too hard for traditional saws, so water jets cut it with liquid precision. Ceramic tiles are layered inside, designed to shatter projectiles upon impact. Heat and immense pressure bond the layers into a single, impenetrable shield.
The floor is reinforced with a V-hull design to deflect blast energy away from the occupants.
Vertical pillars are erected to form the safety cell, the primary survival zone.
Top-down protection is added, sealing the crew inside a hardened steel capsule. A reinforced firewall isolates the engine bay, preventing fire and debris from entering the cabin.
The rear bulkhead is secured,
completing the enclosure of the armored citadel.
Every seam is ground smooth and inspected to ensure there are no weak points in the armor.
Even the fuel tank is a fortress, encased in its own armor shell to prevent punctures during a direct attack.
Inside, a special foam is injected. If the tank is ruptured, this foam prevents the fuel from sloshing and exploding.
The tank is mounted deep within the chassis, shielded by the frame rails for maximum protection against road debris or IEDs.
While the core is a tank, the skin is a Cadillac. Giant presses stamp steel sheets into the elegant curves of a luxury sedan.
These panels are purely cosmetic. Technicians stretch the aesthetic skin over the ugly, angular armor box underneath. Every gap is measured. The goal is to make this armored behemoth look exactly like a standard production car to the untrained eye.
The windows are a triumph of materials science. Layers of glass and polycarbonate are stacked to absorb kinetic energy.
This sandwich is heated and pressed until it fuses into a solid, transparent block, 5 inches thick. The resulting windshield is so heavy that human hands cannot lift it safely. A robotic arm takes the load. An industrial-grade urethane sealant is applied to the frame, creating a bond stronger than the glass itself.
The robot presses the glass into the frame. Once set, it will stop a Magnum round point blank. Unlike a normal car, the passenger windows are permanently sealed shut to maintain structural integrity.
The doors are the most complex component. Fabricators weld together steel frames 8 inches thick.
The cavities are packed with composite armor plates, leaving no room for standard window motors or speakers.
To support this weight, standard car hinges are useless. Welders attach massive, vault-style hinges to the pillars.
Each door weighs as much as the cabin door on a Boeing 757. A gantry crane is required just to position it.
Alignment must be perfect. If the pins are off by a millimeter, the door will never close properly.
A mechanic tests the swing. Despite the weight, it must move smoothly and latch securely with a reassuring thud.
Only the driver's window opens, and only by 3 inches, just enough to pass documents or pay a toll.
Finally, hermetic seals are applied. In the event of a chemical attack, the cabin can be completely isolated from the outside air.
Sealing integrity is paramount. Positive pressure systems keep out biological agents.
Independent oxygen supplies are installed, capable of sustaining the cabin for hours during a gas attack.
High-pressure lines connect the tanks to the internal filtration system.
An automatic fire suppression system is plumbed into the engine bay and undercarriage.
Moving inside, the interior begins with a reinforced dashboard frame designed to support heavy electronics.
Miles of shielded wiring are woven through the frame, connecting the vehicle's advanced security systems.
For the VIP, specific medical needs are met, including a refrigerated compartment for the owner's blood type.
Emergency medical equipment, including a defibrillator, is stowed in quick-access panels.
Despite the armor, luxury is not compromised. Craftsmen hand-stitch premium leather over the ergonomic seats. An electrochromic privacy partition separates the driver from the VIP cabin, turning opaque at the touch of a button. The rear armrest houses the command center, featuring satellite communication controls and climate settings.
Defensive measures are discreetly integrated. Tear gas canisters are mounted behind the front grille.
Electronic solenoids are wired to the driver's console, allowing for instant deployment if the vehicle is swarmed. To navigate in total darkness, a thermal night vision camera is embedded in the front bumper.
For last resort defense, a concealed compartment is engineered to hold a tactical shotgun within the driver's reach. The thermal feed is projected directly onto the windshield via a heads-up display, allowing driving without headlights.
The vehicle's mobility relies on custom tires reinforced with layers of Kevlar to resist punctures.
A solid polymer run-flat device is inserted, supporting the vehicle's weight even if the tire is shredded.
Industrial mounting machines force the stiff, armored tire onto a heavy-duty forged steel rim.
Finally, the wheels are bolted to the hubs using high-torque impact wrenches to withstand immense lateral forces.
Finally, the vehicle enters the paint booth. Robotic arms apply multiple coats of a custom, deep black finish, known as presidential black.
Once cured, technicians hand polish the clear coat for hours, ensuring a mirror-like surface that hides the armored plating beneath.
The branding is subtle but significant. The Cadillac crest is installed, marking the vehicle as part of a long lineage of presidential transport.
Specialized holders are bolted to the fenders, ready to fly the American flag and the presidential standard during official motorcades.
Hidden behind the grille are powerful LED strobe lights, essential for clearing traffic and signaling the urgency of the convoy.
Before delivery, the Beast undergoes rigorous testing. On the dyno, the engine is pushed to its limits.
To verify the hermetic seal against chemical attacks, the cabin is subjected to a high-pressure water intrusion test.
The reinforced suspension is tortured on a shaker rig, simulating rough terrain and evasive maneuvers to guarantee durability.
Finally, representatives from the Secret Service arrive for the acceptance inspection, checking every inch against their classified requirements.
Deployment requires global logistics. The Beast is designed to fit precisely into the hold of a C-17 Globemaster for transport anywhere in the world.
Inside, loadmasters secure the multi-ton vehicle with heavy-duty chains, preventing any movement during flight.
Within hours, the mobile fortress can be airborne, en route to a summit or state visit. Upon arrival, the vehicle is offloaded, often under the cover of darkness, ready to serve immediately. Security protocol dictates a shell game. Two identical decoys often travel with the primary car. More than just a car, it is a symbol of the office and a masterpiece of defensive engineering.
From the titanium armor to the hermetically sealed cabin, every inch is designed for one purpose: survival.
It is a tank disguised as a luxury sedan, representing the pinnacle of automotive protection.
When that heavy door slams shut, the passenger is arguably in the safest place on Earth.
This is the Beast, the ultimate shield for the leader of the free world.